Table tennis, also known as a ping pong and wish swap sports, is a sports which 2 or 4 players hit a lightweight ball, also known as a ping pong ball, back and forth across a small table using small rackets. The game takes place on a hard table divided by a net.
Table tennis teach us important values such as respect, foreplay, discipline, perseverance, teamwork, and excellence. We learn to respect our opponents, teammates, and the rules of the game, while playing honestly and accepting wins or losses with a good attitude. It also helps us stay disciplined through practice and self-control, and encourages us to keep trying even when the game is hard. Playing table tennis build friendship and teamwork and remind us to always do our best and aim for the environment.
Playing table tennis has many benefits for body and mind. It helps improve focus, quick thinking, and hand-eye coordination. It also keeps the body active, improving reflexes, balance, and overall fitness. Table tennis is a fun way to relieve stress and can be played by people of all ages. Most importantly, it builds friendship and teaches sportsmanship while keeping the mind sharp and body healthy.